Today I'm going to show you how to escape lockdown and get away from your wife. Now to do this, guys, you're going to need Faceter installed on your phone. I have got a link below if you don't know how to install Faceter and how you can set up your phone. You don't need a fancy contraption like this. There's many ways that you can set up your phone and hence put surveillance in your house. You don't have to have CCTV, you don't need to have a DVR, you can just use the Faceter app to have surveillance in your house. So without ado, how do you escape lockdown and get away from your wife? First of all, fire up Faceter on your phone, like I've now put it in my lounge, and then open up the phone that's the camera and hit record. Make sure that it's busy recording and that's firing up to the cloud and storing the footage for free and securely. And you can share this. Next, you're going to need a smart TV, guys. And what you do is you step over to your smart TV, fire up the YouTube channel. There we go. Now what we want to do is we want to search for a place we want to go. So how about like Hawaii? So let's go for Hawaii beaches. There we go. So we're going to go, let me just look here. There was one that I saw before. Yeah, this one. Here's a nice one. There we go. So we want to go here. Okay guys, so you've got your destination where you want to go, and remember you've got to have your TV on as well as your Faceter app playing on your phone. Then concentrate where you want to go. See the place, be the place.